Your habits create the environment that you inhabit. Meaning, your ego, your identity as a human being, is formed by habits. It's not who you are, it's just a habit of thinking, a habit of talking, a habit of doing, feeling, and that creates the habit of your identity, of who you think you are. But in reality, it's just a habit. It's just, you got used to certain thought process. You got used to certain information and you labeled that as true. And that is creating the successive habits in which you're going to inhabit. You're going to be living that. Your life is going to be the expression of those habits. What's sad is most of our habits are coming from the past, when we were not even aware that we were acquiring those habits. So look into yourself and ask yourself honestly, how many of your habits were built by you and how many were just automatically built by the environment in which you used to live, or the ideas that you were fed. Based on that, you can change your habits and you will inhabit a different reality. See you in the next one.